In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a small little car charger from the company NUIKOTI. How about that? I don't know how to pronounce that. It sounds Japanese though. And just looking over, there's not much to these little car chargers, but let me just kind of like show you some of the features on this thing. This is by far the cutest little car charger I have ever seen. Look how tiny that thing is. So this goes in basically a barrel port, a cigarette lighter port is what they're calling it, or any type of auxiliary port. It just kind of like plugs down into like that. And it has this nice little handle that pulls it out like that. And what I like about this one, they have USB-C and USB-A charging. I will test both of those. And you know what? They have a zinc alloy around this, and it's supposed to dissipate the heat a lot more. And I think this is up to a 30-watt charging and 18-watt charging. So it is a fast charger. And what's so cool about it is how minimal it is. So if you're like me, I've got a car where I don't like hitting the actual little plug sticking up, and this is a very minimalist plug when you look at the size of this thing. Let me take it out here, plug into my car, test it out and see, because I got a little Nissan car and we'll see how this thing works. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I'm out here in my car. Let's try this out. This is what I've been running in there. Now look at this little thing. Let's just stick that down in there. That is by far the most compact. I can close my cap up. That's so small. And then it's got a little blue light on it. Let's plug it into the phone. Let's see if I can do all this one-handed here. Well, there you go. That's charging just fine. But one of the things that I like the most is I don't have a lot of room down in there. And this is so compact. I ended up hitting this on everything, that big one like that, when you look at this little guy. And then to take it out, you just really just pull that little handle right there. It's kind of hidden away. It almost looks like it's built into the car. It looks so nice. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the mini car charger. See you on the next video.